In this video, we will be going as far into the Zi8 as this image shows to replace the front screen cover with one that is less scratched. To begin, remove the battery cover and the battery. With a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove all 7 screws, remembering which one goes where. If you're not able to completely remove any screw, you can leave it in place. Gently slide the red lens cover upward, only until it clicks. Then lift directly off the unit. This clear lens cover sometimes falls off and gets lost, as it is only held on by these small tabs. However, it is not actually essential for the camera's operation. Now remove the last 2 screws at the top. You are now ready to open the camera by partially pulling the face and the body apart and gently prying this tab and then this one on the opposite side. Lift the face to reveal the ribbon cable. This must be gently pulled straight out. This spring-loaded lever can stay where it is. If it happens to fall off or you need to replace it, the spring inside may come out too, and you'll need to reinsert it like this. This pin also needs to be replaced if it falls out during disassembly. Now you can reattach the face to the body by first pushing the ribbon cable back into the front. Snap the face and the body together, ensuring that both tabs are engaged. Also check that the USB release lever is functioning. Replace the 2 screws at the top. Set the red lens cover onto the unit like this, and gently slide downward until it clicks. Replace and tighten all 7 screws into the correct positions. Replace the battery and the battery cover. Now test the Zi8 and you're done.